Okay, so this is week 2, Monday, Q1 Math6 on fractions for Quentin's class. Let's go ahead and go over some of your answers. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so first question, what does it say? Number 1 says, find the product. Product means that it's multiplication, right? So 18 times 342.
Yep.
So I don't like the way it's written. I always like the bigger number to be on top. So I'm going to do 342 times 18, like that. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 18 times 2, which is 16. 18 times 4, 32. Add the 1, 33. 18 times 3, 24. 27, right?
Yeah.
Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this part. 1 times 2 is 2, but remember to put a space. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Then you're going to add everything top and bottom. So 6, 5, 11, 6. Is this your answer right here? That doesn't look like it's your answer. I think you multiplied incorrectly. Okay? Did you hear me? You need to go back and redo that. Okay? So I'm going to put an X right here. You'll be able to see it later. Not right now. Not right now. I'm going to go over the next one. Okay, this one right here. So this is number 1. Here's number 2. Number 2, what are you doing? We're dividing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 12 times 2 is 24. That's pretty close, right? So put 2 right here, 24. Subtract it. I'm going to get an 8, bring down the 5. And then I'm going to do, okay, 12 times 1 is close to 85. Don't do that yet. I want you to pay attention to this right now. That's fine, but we'll do it later. Right now, I need to do this. Okay, it's video recording. I don't have time for you. I would say 12 times 6 is 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 8 might be too big, so maybe 6. 72. 12 times 7, maybe 7. 14, yeah, perfect. 84, right? So it should be 12 times 7, right? Yeah. Which gives me 84. When I subtract it, it gives me a 1. So then my answer here should be 27, 1 over 12. Okay, so the second one is incorrect. You need to redo that one. Do you see that? You can find your answers later, okay? But right now I need to move on. Okay, number 3. All right, ready? Number 3 is right here. It says find the sum. 4.22 plus 8.13, right? When I add these together, the hundredths is 5. Tens is 3. Ones is 12. So 12.35. So this one is good. I don't know why you put a dollar sign right there because that's not a dollar. You need to get rid of that. Okay? Do you see that? It's not a dollar. It's not a dollar sign. Okay, so don't put a dollar sign. Yeah, same thing with number 4. So I'm going to put a little X right there on number 3 because you need to finish a few things. For number 4, you have 9 points. Is it 19 or 79? 98 point. What is that? Is that 19 or 79 on your paper? What is it on your paper? 98 point what? You need to pay attention when I'm going over this with you.
98.19.
Okay. Subtracting 9 minus 3 is going to give me a 6. 1 minus 0 is a 1. 8 minus 4 is a 4. 84.16. Is that what you have? Yeah. Good. That one's good. So this one's good. Number 4 is good. Let's go on to number 5. What does number 5 ask you to do?
Simplify each fraction.
8 over 12. It's saying simplify. It's not saying to multiply. Simplify means reduce. Okay? What number can you reduce top and bottom? If it's an even number, you can always reduce it by 2, which is 4 over 5. Okay, so that's wrong. Make sure you change that. Next one is 2 over 8. What can you reduce between 2 over 8? What can you divide top and bottom? Yep, you could divide by 2, which is 1 over 4, right? So make sure you fix that for number 5. You understand? Okay, number 6. So here I go. 49, 21, 84, 63, 42. Good. These are good. All right. List multiples of 5. What did you write down for that? 5 multiples of 2.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yeah, you can keep going. Whatever you want, right? Okay, multiples of 4. What did you write?
8,
okay. I'm going to start with 16. And then what's after 16? 20.
24.
28. I'm just gonna start there. You can start at 4 if you want, or whatever number you start at. 32, 36, right? What are some multiples of 6? 6, 12.
18.
Good. Yep. What else? 42, 48. Another one, what do you notice is like between 42 to 48, 36 to 42. What are we doing with those numbers? We're adding by 6, right?
Yeah.
Do you see how this one it's adding by 6? Do you see that? Yeah. List the factors of 36. Factors means what can you divide. Multiples means what can you multiply. Okay. So factors. So what divides into 36? Well, 1 is going to be 36 divided by 1 is 36, right? 36 divided by 6 is 6, right? What else?
9 times 4.
And what else?
3 times 12.
And then 9 and 2, right?
9 and 2?
Yeah, multifactors.
9 and 2.
9 times 4 is 36.
You said 9 and 2.
9, 2 goes into 36 too. 2 is also a factor, right? Because 36 divided by 2 is 18. Oh, we forgot one, 18. You can also do 18.
Yeah, 2 times 18.
Okay, what's the next one? 7. 1. What can you divide into 7?
You could do
1 and 7, that's it. 1 and 7. Do you see the difference there? Don't forget the 1 over here on number 36, okay? All right, next one. It says solve, right? So it's not really solving. This is more simplifying. Solving implies there's an x in there. There's no x in here. So you're simplifying, right? Yeah. So when you simplify this, what you need to do is you need to do PEMDAS first. 36 plus 6 is 42, right? Yeah. Times it by 3 minus 2, 8 squared. 8 squared is 64, right? Get your head up, please. So 3 times 42 is going to give me 126, right? Yeah. 64. 126 minus 2 is going to give me 124. So when I add it together, it's going to be an 8, 6, 1. That's your answer. Okay? Yeah. Which multiplication and division problem does this model represent? Okay, so what you have here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? There's 4, right, in each box. And how many groups are there? 6, right? 4 times 6 equals, that's the multiplication one. 24 divided by 4 is 6. That will be it, okay? So what I want you to do right now is take a moment and go ahead and